got a mother-sucking, Hoover-rocking baby. My nose breathing with the vacuum love. Suck my brains out if you will. Blow my mind on you got the skill, vacuum lover. Move around, baby, move on through the shop. She sucks out any mental block, my vacuum lover. Room up with your buzzing vacuum love. Your throbbing plugged in power vacuum love. Well, when I'm plugged into you, no one hoovers like you do, vacuum lover. Yeah, Hoover, rock, baby, move on through the shock. She sucks out any mental block, my vacuum lover. Let's go. She sucks out any mental block, my vacuum lover. We do that, move around, baby, move on through the shop. She sucks out any mental block, my vacuum lover. I got a guarantee with your vacuum love. A warranty for a life, your vacuum love. I got a guarantee with your vacuum love. I want to keep alive with your vacuum love. Well, there is a man that plays like to find if they can. Well, he never really did anything wrong, but he was different, so the hounding just get along. One day his man, he couldn't take no more. His mind was snapped and he set out for war. He needed his power no longer. Why should he when he knew he was so stronger? He's Electro, the electric man. They didn't know what trouble they'd be done with Electro, the electric man. 6,000 volts out of his fingertips could have him on the floor. No one knew just why he was this strong. Though he wasn't bad, he would be from now on. They've been off more than they could chew. Just as long Electro was nobody really knew. But Electro, the electric man, flashed thunderbolts of power from his eyes. And he got straight through that police van and moved his 6,000 volts down to side. Suddenly sleep party and drink. In a blinding flash, he fish face screaming, I'll be back again.